Malawian camera.
Yes, comrades, good morning and how are you, everyone? Comrades, now we're about to leave Chitipa for Kalonga. Tinagona so ku Chitipa because of there was a lot of meetings, so many people wamefuna kumani nafe privately. Ineso, I had the privilege of meeting my people. Amena mansatira pa kampeni yangu ya DK kunoko kuchitipa. I'm really humbled kutakula kulena massive servants kuchitipa. Munabwera, you sneaked out tonight. Munanditana pamaro oduka mpepo. Thank you very much, the people of Chitipa. Pazonse zimene mwanduza. And I'm really confident that in Chitipa, I've got true comrades, true patriots of this country. It's really a sacrifice that we're taking when we're camping for DK. Not everyone is happy with what we're doing. Even fellow Northerners are not even happy in the manner or in the way that I'm campaigning for Dr. Sokabambi. We are in politics and we're in multi-party democracy. I regret nothing because my focus is just to see Dr. Sokabambi taking the mantle on 16 September 2025. To be honest, comrades, fellow Northerners, kumpoto panopa tilibe muntu amwena ngati sogolera ziko la Malawi. Palibe. We don't have politicians from the north who can lead this country. This is the only truth that you have to know, Northerners. Palije muntu uiwa kumpoto so angala munacharo ichifuna uchitipa tumsanje. Kumanyuma kose in the past we have been making mistakes. When we have leaders, we support fellow Northerners as leaders of this country. By the end of the day, we tend to be disappointed by the end of the day. The reason is this: we are not yet in political environment in Port. We have not created a political environment of supportive type of politics. In northern region, even the way I'm campaigning for DK, some other people are fighting me for no reason. But yet we don't have an option as northern region people. So when we are supporting a candidate from southern region, it's nothing. Because what we want to do is want to show people that regions don't make good leadership. But a country can make good leadership as one people. So when we are one people in Malawi, when I say one people, we don't look at regions, tribes, color, you can mention traditions, culture, whatever. I'm campaigning for DK just because of he's a Malawian to me. That's it. From Chitipa to Sanje, he's a Malawian. Just like myself, I stay in Mzimba, in northern region of Malawi, but I am a Malawian. That's why I'm sorry campaigning for DK. So some other people think that maybe there's something. No, I've already seen, I've conducted research, but this is an open message to comrades, Malawians from the north, living in the north. Northern region is not ready to produce a leader this time. It will take time. And when we're not going to change our mindset or the attitude that we have, that Northerners, Amatipondres and Handali, we're making a big mistake. We people in the north were not ready to lead this country at the moment. There will be time we're going to lead this country, but it will be a process issue, or it is a process issue. Let's support the possible people who are ready to govern this country. These parties, UTM, DPP, MCP, these are national parties. In northern region, we have never formed a party that has been national, apart from MCP. But as we stand today, in northern region, even we can talk. We don't have leadership of the country. We don't have the quality of the people who can lead this country across the day. I mean, from Chitipa to Sanje, the Koma to Mchinji. So what I want from you people living in Malawians living in the north, let's support that Sokabambi. We can't go back to DPP. DPP, yes, it was good to the time of Bingu Mtalika. But when Bingu, the second term of Bingu, you know what happened? He was misread by his tribal people. Things didn't go well. He died miserably. He died out of frustration. After his death, Panaka Joyce banned OPP. You know what happened. It was an accidental president. She was an accidental president because she took over from a dead person, a dead president who was Bingu. May so keep on rest in peace. So, comrades, Malawians, the coming of APM, it all diluted everything about what Bingu did. You see, the development that Chitipa enjoyed, the tarmac road from Karonga to Chitipa, that one was good. But now when you look at that tarmac road today, MCP has not even repaired it. The road already is in bad shape. Just imagine. So, Northern region, please, when we want to develop this country, this region so fast, let's choose leaders who have got the qualification. Don't just choose leaders based on the tribal lines. No. So today, as I'm leaving Chitipa, anytime from now, we're leaving for Kalonga. Kuchoka Chitipa bila Kalonga. Ineme ndaonera menda chizenda kula amene amasapota kuno Chitipa. Ndikona kuti hope yambiri ya anthu Chitipa ili mwadeso kabambi. Inde ena mwina kudana naye, ena mwina ukaida. Koma the way I'm campaigning with him as a northerner, campaigning for Daso Kabambe, I'm 100% sure that Kabambe in the north is going to sweep votes. And Hambili akumvesa kuno kwambili Kabambe kuno kumpoto salamizana than any other party leaders. And when you talk about DBP kuno kumpoto, alliance ndo kuya. Because they know that DBP wants to get back into government. As a Ramuleziko in the bodyguard wage, the chief secretary, chief of staff for State House. You know this. When you vote for DBP this time, APM, muzeti simna vote APM ya. Mungu vote amina chifani zocha bicha APM. Koma wende saziko la zaka umaja. Mbuli zija zima tivuta kale zija. Mbuli zija zima tipondeleza zima tuopia zija. So comrades Malawians, this is what you must know. When you vote for MCP, nima vote na mene mkwaona watu. Chakwera, I toured with Chakwera kuno kumpoto, even here in Chitipa. And I'm happy that Yongo apologized to the people of Chitipa. So we are in the forefront. He was in the forefront convincing people to vote for Raza Chakwera. But see how Chakwera has failed to organize a good team that could have worked together and transform this country. Chakwera, atango kala pampando, anangamba Christian Chito, azinzake church. You can even see the composition of his cabinet. It's full of people of Central Region. And they're doing nothing. This time, MCP, you can't get because of this Comrade Vitumbiko Mumba being a minister of, was in the minister within a short time. He's the only guy who's sticking from the north, and he cannot even convince the masses of the north. Kutia avote such a query. MCP panopa ikoneka because of a northerner, Vitumbiko Mumba. Come and see how Vitumbiko Mumba was hated by the people of Central Region. I'm here, and my prayer is like this. If Vitumbiko Mumba can just dump MCP today and join DK, we are okay. Ukowali Vitumbiko Mumba mumpalile. Let him just leave Chakwera, because Chakwera has got no future. There's no way Chakwera can be there as a president for another 5 years. The man is a failure. Ubongo wake wachakwera ndo chepa kwambiri nzero. He cannot stay with the state that we are here in Malawi, the poverty state, the underdevelopment state that we are here. Chakwera is not fit to lead us further than this. What he has done the 5 years is okay. And with the death of SKC, yomwe Chakwera goepera kulongoswa kuti kodi SKC anamwana banji. These things are the things that Northerners menda onera, mena manduzira. You cannot give a vote to somebody like that. Vice President wake wamwalira imuntu yemwana mwika pampando, not from MCP party, come from another party, UTM. He sacrificed, Chilima sacrificed everything. Kuchisia chipani chake huko ndo karanimate, kachiwili kwa Chakwera after karanimate wa APM, the Vice President wa APM. But when he died, Chakwera never showed, he was not even remorseful. He was not even remorseful. Kuti mina nene kuti sana nkwe mauti okuta uti we should know what exactly happened to the death of SKC. Sakulongozona. And he died in the north. Umpera kwatu kuno kumpoto zona. Muntu kumtenga huko. Chakwera died in the north. And we don't even have any causative report. Kuchina penga nchari untegeja. Iuruke mpaka kukago. Sikuland report yeni. But the people failing to give us report, they want to rule us again. After a big man, a statesman died on a plane crash. After time kukila mlandu ukoti. Amtuma Korea, amtuma Tanzania, amtuma Korea. Later on he died. And anamwe yakuta kweka somalilo amuntu amene anamwera sumusozi kwa bulubulu alafuka sambara. So we Northerners, we must wake up. We must wake up. But we don't have people here in the north who can lead this country at the moment, apart from Daso Kabambe. So what I'm trying to say, comrades, it is there. I'm going to take each and every insult. But what you have to understand is what I'm doing is for the benefit of this country and your children in the future. My siblings are not so good. azadira fulme tikumenyera pano pawo tikumpangira campaign kabambe. In Malawi this time, put politics aside. Let's base on facts and who can do better professionally to transform this country. Ndale zizi zatichedwesa. Ndale za Malawi, it carried a lot of lies. Kumanguti posisa basi. And yet sometimes these lies are coming from people who don't even understand what democracy is. Democracy is not about telling lies. Democracy is about progress. So when there's no progress, people are free to fight the person who they voted or the person just the same when the Kabambe is going to fail to do some of the things as a leader and president of the country. We are going to rise up because people are here to cherish development of our country. When we call Malawi home, we need our home to be the best of all, to accommodate everyone. Everyone should enjoy the fruits of leadership and presidency of this country. So no matter mnamtaya Chakwera Chakwera tinamsupport the way we used to support DK, because food is gonna manena chimagaza kwenda kuti akanakhala chicho chimene Chakwera manena pa campaign wachika m'malo mwake. This time this time could have still been campaigning for Chakwera, but Chakwera failed 2 years in office, and he said that he told Malawi that once he fails to change this country, transform this country within 2 years, apart resign. He never resigned, and he even said that you never torture or try to frustrate the office of the vice president. Kumachaona managing mama mpangira sideline in so many things. His cabinet ministers never liked SKC. And Chakwera forgot that without SKC, MCPC can have also grow. So, comrades Malawians, I'm taking your insights, I'm taking your advice, but I'm encouraging you. Support my campaign from today. DK. Palibe kuno kumpoto kuno palibe msugamena kasinde sikuli. Chakwera mamona gari. APM dameni chanenapo. JB dameni mkonapo. Of course, kukama alliances, but the alliances is also zikundikuza. But what I'm trying to say, DK is the rightful person, and important DK Amlandira. Thank you. Good morning, comrades.
Malawi, Camera.